Hey beautifuls, welcome back today. So if you're new to my channel and this is the first time you've ever clicked on one of my videos, thank you for stopping by. We do lots of unboxings over here. I love subscription boxes, and so I will unbox all of my subscriptions to show you guys what comes inside, and that way if you are interested in them, you'll know if it's worth it or not for you. So today we're gonna look at another subscription box of mine. This one is Birchbox. Now Birchbox is a beauty subscription and it is $25 a month. You do receive a mixture of full size and travel sized items. They don't really say like a guarantee. Some subscription boxes out there like Ipsy will tell you like you're only getting samples or you're only getting full size products. The Allure Beauty Box will tell you you're gonna get 3 full size and 3 travel size. Birchbox just says we're gonna send you beauty products. So you don't really know what you're getting for sizes, but in my experience, usually we get at least 1 full size product a month, if not a couple of them. But because they don't make a guarantee, I'm not gonna make any promises to you guys either. So this box, if you like beauty, that's what you're gonna get, but I can't make any other guarantees outside of that. So if you're interested in this subscription box, I have a link listed down below. I was able to partner up with Birchbox and ask them for a discount code, which they did send over for all of my viewers. So you can save $10 off of your first box if you use my coupon code below at checkout. So you can get this box for $15. There is free shipping on it every single month. They additionally have a free beauty quiz that you will take. So when you first sign up, you'll actually go through that quiz right away. And then they will pair you up with items based off of that quiz. And then that's what you're gonna get in your box. Now, one thing that I do like about this subscription is you are able to customize it. You will get an email that will send you a link to customize your box. That email typically comes out right on the very first day of the month. And it's usually in the morning time for me. So you'll have from like the 1st to the 3rd to go through that link and to customize your box. And then you can choose which products you want in there. Now, Birchbox is still going to surprise you with a couple of them of their own. But if you miss that customization window, there's no other way to customize it. So you have to be on the lookout for that email. And it's always the 1st through the 3rd that you will get it. And then you can customize your box. So like I said, this is the February box that we are opening up today. And this is what it looks like here. Inside, you do have a little card and it will usually tell you about some of the products that were available for the month. So it doesn't show you what's in your box. It just says, hey, these are some products we were highlighting this month. So it says love is in the air and also in your Birchbox. Think of this month's box as your ultimate self-care Valentine, packed with skincare saviors, swoon-worthy makeup, and treats to make your routine feel extra special. So then these were a couple of the featured products. But then I just noticed down here, there's a QR code and it says, see what's in your box. And then you can actually see what you customize your box with and it will have more tips. That's new, you guys, because I've been getting this for a few months now and I've not had a QR code before. So I kind of like that. I feel like, okay, I gotta tell you guys, I feel like Birchbox is making better improvements. So I've noticed this, that we've seen more brands in here and more full-size products. They just redid the packaging on the boxes about 2 months ago. So they've changed those a little bit. And now I like that they're including a card where you can scan it and learn more about your products. I know it's only small changes. For some of you might be like, that's not really that big of a deal. But I still have to give them props that they are trying to be a better beauty box out there. Okay, so this is what my February box looks like. My first item that I have in here today, and a full-size product at that, this is the Peptide serum, and it is from a brand called Upcircle. So this one is a natural vegan product. It says it's upcycled as well. What does that mean? But then it features niacinamide in here and AHAs. It's 30 ml or 1 ounce. This is UK's #1 upcycled beauty brand. We save leftover ingredients and upcycle them into beautiful skincare. So this is made in the UK and it's 100% recyclable. So cruelty-free, vegan. Okay. Love the idea behind this. So I've never heard of this brand before, but I love the fact that they are trying to eliminate waste and that you can recycle everything as well. So this one says that it will help to boost your collagen production and reveal a brighter complexion after using this product. So it has a tripeptide complex. There's actually apple in here. That's interesting. I wasn't expecting that as the first ingredient, but it's apple. There's AHAs, and it says that it will promote cell turnover and elasticity, reducing signs of aging. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like. It is a glass bottle, so like it said, you can recycle this. This will have a dropper on it, and all you need to do is apply a few drops to your fingertips and then just massage this into your face. And then it's supposed to do all the magic from there. There's also blood orange in it as well. So I think it's a cool idea. I can't believe I've never heard of this brand before. Because, I mean, why can't we support more brands like this in the beauty world, you guys? Like, seriously, products that are trying to eliminate waste and then upcycle ingredients that other ones might not be using. I think that's awesome. I would like to see more from this brand. I really hope Birchbox gets more products from them because I want to try this. I'm hoping it works because I'm excited about what I'm seeing. Next up, we have a product from Mud Masky in here. This one is their vitamin infused eye serum. Now this is also a full-size product. It's 30 ml or 1 ounce. Mud Masky makes a lot of great masks out there. Now this one's specifically for the eye area, and it's supposed to combat dark circles that you might have underneath your eyes or like a tired look. This one is vitamin infused, and it says that it's PETA verified, cruelty free. It's safe for sensitive skin, and it will moisturize your skin, but it also has vitamins in here like vitamin C that will help to brighten up that under eye area. It says you'll have best results if you use this morning and night, but it is a fragrance-free product as well. You know, I don't know if many people care about fragrances anymore. A few years ago, it's been a while, but that was a really big thing in the beauty world that people were objecting to adding fragrance because it wasn't necessary. And they were like, no, we want clean skincare where there's no additives to it. We just want pure, refined ingredients. I don't know that that's as big of a trend. I think clean skincare is still important, but I don't hear as many people saying, no, I don't want fragrance in here or not. So if you guys have a preference, I try to always bring these up just so you're aware and you can make, decisions based off of that. But I don't know if that's something you guys are still objecting to, if you don't like fragrance or not. So just let me know down below. Should I keep pointing it out or not? Okay, next item that we have here is from Grace and Stella. This is a hair mask. It's designed to give you moisture back to your hair. This product will cut down on frizz and split ends. It's a hydrating mask. It's also cruelty-free, vegan, PETA verified. Man, all of these have been cruelty-free and vegan, which is great. I do think this is great though for winter as well. Love that we get some extra hydration for our hair. We also have in here a eye mask. So this one is from Star Skin, and it is their gold mask. And this is a revitalizing gold foil under eye mask. So there's one set in here, and you're able to put this on underneath your eyes. Again, it is designed to brighten up that area and to take down dark circles, any fatigue that you might have. So this one, truthfully, this box I feel like is definitely focusing on brightening and awakening the skin is kind of what I'm getting from all of these products. Next up, ooh, did we get a perfume? I think we did, you guys. This one, I think is from Michael Germain. Oh, I bet I didn't say that right. It's French. I know I didn't say that right. I said it the way an American would say it. So this is the brand here. I'm guessing it's Michelle, and I don't know how to pronounce the last name. Okay, so this is the brand name that we have here, and then the name of it is Sexual. Again, I'm probably not pronouncing that correctly, but this one, I'm so excited there's a fragrance in here. But this is a rollerball perfume, so you're able to just put this on like your wrist, which is what I'm gonna do so I can smell it. Ooh. Now that is a very strong scent. It's definitely got a strong alcohol note to it, but there's also fruit in there. And there's a little bit of floral too. So as it sits, I feel like it's building actually. Like it's got more layers the longer it dries and I can really smell everything. So the alcohol is actually subsiding a little bit. The first thing I got though was like strong alcohol scent, but now that's going down. There's still a floral note in there and a little bit of like citrus or a sweetener as well. It's definitely a feminine scent. Yeah, I like it actually, you guys. Even though it's stronger, I do like this. I'm not always a huge lover of strong perfumes, but this one is really good. This doesn't list the size on here, but it feels like a lot. I mean, I think this is like 15 mil, maybe half an ounce. But to get a fragrance in a beauty subscription box for $25 or $15 if you're a new member, I feel like that's a good price. I'm most excited. I don't know if I'm most excited. I take that back. I'm also really excited for this brand too, but I love that there's fragrance in here. So our 6th item inside of the Birchbox for February is coming from Glow Recipe. This is the Watermelon Glow Pink Dream Body Cream. So this is a moisturizer and it's designed specifically for all over the body. It's not your facial moisturizer. 20 mil, so this is just a travel sized amount. These, they're not cheap anymore, you guys. So I love Glow Recipe and I love their products, but they have been raising their prices a lot over the last, I feel like 2 years. And originally when I was trying them out, it was like, okay, this is, you know, it's a little pricey, but I can afford it. Now it's getting to the point that I'm like, man, I'm gonna look for alternatives because the prices are really high. They will sell these travel sized ones on their website. And even these, I'm like, how are they getting this? But this is a really great body moisturizer. So I do love it, but I love it more when it's in a subscription box where I can actually afford it. I gotta tell you guys, I really like this box. I mean, the fragrance, like, I'm over the moon about because I love getting fragrances in my box and I like that it's not a sample. You know what I mean? Those little cards, love that. I like also that there's a new brand in here that I've not tried that supports a lot of values that I want to implement in my own life. So I like that as well. I'm already familiar, obviously, with Glow Recipe, the Mud Masky I've had before. I've also done the eye mask from Starskin. So I do feel like those are all good products, not bad at all. So overall, I feel like for $25, I got decent brands in here, fun things to try out. I'm happy. So you guys comment down below, let me know, what did you think of this box? And again, if you're interested in it, I do have that link and code all listed down below. But until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!